Well, this is a different type of video, you guys. You didn't think you'd be walking in the woods. 7 degrees, did you? Here we are. Back here about 30 yards, it sounded like there was something following us. So it was over in that area. Long and...
Yeah, long.
He had a long body and a tail. There he is. Okay, y'all, I got the green light out tonight. Now, supposedly that the green light does not alert wildlife to your coming, so they won't see you coming and run away. Again, in theory, I'm out here with T-Max, American Experience. And boy, look what he's got. He's got all the good equipment.
Let me turn this off here for
Thermal.
a second. Thermal on the top. iPhone 17 Pro Max here that I'm recording with. PowerTech headlamp. PowerTech Warrior on the side. These ones are legit 4,200 looms. This one's 2,500 looms. And then the big boy over here, the Olight Marauder, is legit 16,000 looms.
Wow.
Bright. This is the beast. When I need to light up the woods, this is what I pull out here.
That's so cool.
And it drains power so quick, I gotta have to have battery touch too.
Can you guys see that tree right there? You'll see it when I get closer. Looked like it was looking straight at me and had antlers. It's snow between the tree. Look at that. Eye shine. Yep, right there in that tree. The light's not affecting it. It's inside that tree. There, he just left.
It just ran out.
We were getting too close.
Yeah, it ran out. It was a little shaver, some sort of...
Long and...
Yeah, it's long.
He had a long body and a tail.
Yep.
There he is, popping his head out now. There he goes.
Oh, there he goes.
There he goes.
And he runs back.
Yeah. he wants us to get out of here because he can just rest in his den.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's the only thing bad about lithium batteries. I have noticed the new GoPro Enduros last a lot longer than their old batteries. This is really hard to walk on because it's like walking on bumps. A bunch of little bumps. Back here about 30 yards, it sounded like there was something following us. So it was over in that area. Now there is another trail over there. But if it was a human, I would think they would let us know they were over there.
I don't have anything on my thermal that would indicate a person over there.
Yeah, once it realized I was zeroing in on it, it stopped. I lost my signal, so we have no signal right now. Right here is the tree that I found the fur on. Right here, yeah. And it was right about up there, so it wasn't no deer, unless a deer jumped up there and hit it.
Okay. Huh. That'd be interesting.
Yeah.
I'm going to turn on the main. Okay, we're back. This is the spot where Woody was hearing something moving.
And I heard a tree branch break, and then all of a sudden it froze.
Okay.
See, there's no wind, so it wasn't two trees rubbing together.
Want me to do the predator call blast? I'll do like a relic in distress.
All right.
I didn't want to do that when you were on the corner screen without letting you know what it was, because it's probably like people would geek out and think you have something that you didn't. So here we go.
Predator call.
Okay, Cottontail in distress. Peter Cottontail in distress. Okay, this gets loud, so get ready to cover your ears. Just for a second, okay. We'll blast this. We're going to do 2 blasts. I'm going to give about 5 seconds in between. Do a countdown, and then we'll do the blast. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2. Another one. 5, 4, 3, 2. It takes a little bit. That's like ringing the dinner bell, though. Ringing the dinner bell, sometimes it takes them a little while to answer.
I think I seen it. Is that maybe just a coon sitting there?
I can't tell what he is, but there's something reflecting.
Down a little.
Right up, no, I'm talking.
Oh,
Right
okay.
in the center.
Yeah, right there.
You
Right
see
there.
it?
Yep.
So, that, I can't tell what it is. I zoomed in on it with the camera. I still can't tell.
Yeah. Now I can see it a little better.
Okay. I can't make this a little better. Let me try to zoom in. Okay. Can't
Just
tell.
staring at us. No,
like
it's in the rocks, right? Is that rocks right there?
It looks like it's something, but
Might be a coon.
no, it hasn't moved. Got it into times 24.
Just sitting
and
there?
it's really only. It's not even looking like actual eye. I'm not even sure if that's eye shine. I don't know if there's anything, but it's something reflecting. It does kind of look like I got a set of 2 eyes. There.
2 eyes. I'm seeing 2 eyes.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
It's definitely just staring at us. It's froze. Wonder if the light froze it.
Yeah, maybe literally froze. I was shining the light over there and just kind of, hey, what is that?
Right.
Can't tell. Any more footsteps behind us?
No, but I heard him twice. And it was just like it was following. She's all lit up now.
Turn this light back on.
I can see it right now. Right there's the 2 eyes up there. It looks like it's got a black head.
Right there.
I can't really
But
focus on your thermal.
Yeah. That's surrounding, which is what caught my attention.
Yeah, there's definitely something over there.
Yeah. I mean, that's steep. That's probably, what, 50 feet up?
Yeah.
So.
Right there.